Hello guys. In my previous video, I said like I will cover some of the Kafka interview questions. Okay, let's begin. So first question will be like why Kafka? So you can choose any other messaging queue, but why you have chosen only Kafka? So straightforward, you need to figure out why you have used Kafka. So one more thing, Kafka is not only messaging queue, it can be used for a storage of messages for longer time. So that can be configured in a Kafka configuration, like a retention time you can configure. It can store messages for longer time compared to other messaging queues. And it is more scalable. Kafka is more scalable and it is fault tolerant. There are architectural changes you can check. There will be some lead server, there will lead broker, and there will be replica brokers. So you will guarantee that you will receive the message which is published on producer side. So that is the guarantee. And it you can configure retry things in Kafka, like how many times you need to you can retry the messages to send it to a consumer. And if consumer goes down, what happens? So there are some offset commit strategies you need to identify. So if server consumer is goes down, and when it comes up, where it should read, whether last committed offset it should read or most recent it should read, those things can be configured in Kafka. And they'll ask you what is partitions. Here on a particular topic we publish the message and we consume the message. And particular topic is divided into partitions. Generally in a production we use 3 partitions per topic, and inside a partition we'll have the messages, and each message will have the offsets. Offset is identifier to a particular message. And one more question they ask, like one partition can we assign two consumers in a same consumer group? That is not possible. In a consumer group, only one consumer can assign to one particular partitions. So this is one interesting question. Then they'll ask, how can you configure to send only one message to one consumer? For that, we can use idempotency.enabled. There is a property that we can make it as a true, which makes sure that it will send only one message to a consumer. And they'll ask like how can you increase the throughput, and if producer is publishing messages very fast and if consumer is not able to consume that much faster, what you will do? So we can have some rate limiter on producer side, and in coding also we can have some delay to produce the message on Kafka broker. And they will ask what are different types